Sometimes it does it, sometimes it don't. Amazon sets you up to fail. I've had enough with Amazon. It worked. Here we are, another year. Website development, being creative, performing all the back end tasks yourself is challenging, but it's something that needs to be had if you want full control over your website business. And I always did. So now I'm here. And now I'm here to share with my audience, my subscribers, that I'm going to show you the next phase that I'm entering, that now I feel it's not wishful thinking. I'm not hoping. I will do the work to produce the content that will get indexed into the search engines, and I will be selling lots and lots and lots of products, maybe even services. On November 11th, 2023, I uploaded a video titled Amazon Affiliate Links Going Away. And I share with you how I was building my website foundation around selling Amazon products. Well, Amazon changes so quickly, and their rules are just detrimental to someone's website development success, that I decided to just keep Amazon in the background, and I'm moving forward joining other affiliate programs that I did not qualify for years ago, but I am now. I'll do another video on that, but I want to show you a few things. And they don't mind if you buy products from your own affiliate links, because I like to promote products that I personally use, and then I'm going to promote products to sell because they are offered within an affiliate program. I have developed the skills, I have built the foundation. I am now pivoting, tweaking, adjusting, revising, editing, rearranging, and put that all together, I'm fine-tuning my websites. I use WordPress to develop my websites. WordPress is a web content management system. It is a free, open source software that gets installed on a web host of your choice. I use a plugin called Ad Inserter Pro. This is an inside view to the back end of my WordPress website. And I use this plugin because when I change the code in a block, I can add a code to promote a banner, an affiliate link, whatever it may be. And that code will show on all the pages of my website if I choose it. So all I have to do is change one code. I could change it every day, I could change it every minute, and it will change the ad on all the pages that I choose, either posts or pages. It's up to you. It's a huge time saver. So what I'm doing is I'm removing this setup that I have on each post and page, because I'm not promoting Amazon products on the top. And I'll give you another example why I'm not building my websites around using Amazon products to sell. But what you see me doing here, okay, now I'm going to tap paragraph. because when I change the code in the Ad Inserter Pro, I tell it, do I want it before an HTML element or do I want it before a paragraph? I'm going to choose paragraph. I'm adding a paragraph on every single page and post. So when I change this one ad in a different block, but when I change the code in a block, it will add the new banner code, whatever I choose to put there, on every single page and post, if that's what I choose. I might just want it on all pages. I might want the code on only posts. But what I'm doing is, this block right here, I'm telling WordPress and the Ad Inserter Pro plugin, that's a paragraph block, because I just like choosing most of the time before a paragraph. It fits for the top of every page and post because I don't want to do this again. And I had to make the decision. This is what I need to do in the future to make my future work a lot easier. So every time I create a new page or a post, I'm going to make sure the very top, underneath the title, has a block that is set to paragraph. So I know the ad will be placed on top. I'll do that and save it to show you at the end of the video. Here's another reason I'm just fed up with Amazon. I added on my sidebar images using Amazon code, and they're already not uploading. They didn't even make it 3 months. So I have to change all of that too. I've had my fill with Amazon codes, and it's time to move forward and start earning the type of money I want to earn online from all the skills I've developed, all the things I've taught myself. I should be soaring. I should be selling products like crazy. And soon I will be. After fine-tuning today and adjusting, I'm going to show you something. And this is frustrating, but it's the on-hand experience that you gain when you produce something from nothing, from the ground floor. And you learn as you go along. You see here, AdSense sticky top of page ad. Well, this is the home page. And right here is a sticky ad. You can see this right on top. I have my border, like I have enough space here that I don't interfere with anything. And I also have AdSense auto ads on, and they take over the ads, and they change so much in the past couple of months. So they're placing these ads that you see, they're placing them. I'm not. This is something I placed on top, but I'm going to show you something in a moment. Now, I'm going to tap on this blog post, the People's Paper Towel. I'll tap on that. I'll open it up in another tab. And you see how the sticky ad shows. Sometimes they don't show when I'm not signed into WordPress. But here's something. This is the banner that I created, that I added to the Ad Inserter Pro. And it shows on every page above the paragraph block that I showed you earlier in the video. I put this banner together, and for now, at least there's a banner up there. Let me click on another page. How about Brad's Organic Foods? I'm opening them up in another tab so I don't have to keep reopening the home page. See, there's the sticky ad. This is very important because when I'm signed out of WordPress, those sticky ads were not populating. But here, you see this banner right here? Well, that shows on that page. All because I changed one code in the in the Ad Inserter Pro. I'll do one more. Vajay Yogurt. I like that brand. See? the banner's right on top, right above that paragraph block that I showed you earlier in the video. So it works. And when you click it, it brings you to my affiliate link that I'm joining other affiliate programs. It's time to start soaring. You know what I mean? And I just started taking this, so I want to promote it. And I also want to buy it from my own affiliate link. And I like the product. I feel I've seen results, and I want to try other products. I could continue to show you more examples, but this video is getting way too long, and I'm showing you vital information. And why do I feel that way? Over the years, people have said to me, why don't you just pay to use this and just promote it and just pay for ads on AdSense and other platforms? But that defeats the whole purpose of the challenge, of the passion, of the purpose. I've always wanted full control over my business. Nobody's going to take this away from me. I built it from scratch, and it was a long journey. The experience, the hands-on experience, just like at a job, has helped me make the hard decisions that I have to make. And, I'm tired of working for free. I've been teaching myself and perfected skills for so long. At this point, I should be, selling products crazy. I should be earning thousands of dollars a month in passive residual income. Well, now I'm going to produce the work that will do just that. Enough working with companies that it's as if you're setting me up to fail. And if you watched my other video, and that video got a lot of attention, it got over 300 views. And this is a very niche, kind of, in my opinion, geeky channel, but I'm teaching people how it's really done. This is how you do it. You develop the skills. You really understand your business inside and out. You can perform every task yourself, and you have full control. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to join all those affiliate businesses, companies, websites that said no to me years ago. Well, now, a few of them that said no years ago said yes. We see you're there. But I need to be able to create web pages and use marketing materials that's offered to me to create those web pages so I could get them on my website, so then I could get those URLs indexed into the major search engines. That's how you win. That's organic traffic, selling products for you passively. I'm here now. It's time to soar. So please continue to follow, subscribe. Thank you to the new subscribers in the past 6 months. Because I all of a sudden I'm like, wow, I'm almost up to 1,000 subscribers. And it's because there are people out there that want to do exactly what I'm doing. But I'm telling you, there is a learning curve. And it gives you, full control over your business. And that's what you want. And with the new web rolling out, with the Web 3, like the interplanetary file system, you have full control over your business if you want it. Your website business. So continue to follow. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe if you want to continue learning from someone who's actually doing it and showing you how it's done. And I'm going to show you more. But like I said, this video will turn into 30, 40 minutes. I need to share in little tidbit videos, and I need to get to the point where I can upload videos that are 5 minutes and under, so people get what they're looking for quickly. This is a lot of work, and producing the video. We are creators. Well, that takes time. You get it. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you find it to be valuable information that you can follow, lead, and practice and put to practice. And I'll be around. We're going to make it. I'm going to show you the affiliate programs I'm going to join, and I am joining, and all the products I'll be promoting, and how I'm going to soar. Now, since I had to say goodbye to Amazon. Amazon, they set you up to fail. I swear. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.